Okay, so picture this. You're at the buffet. You walk past the Keno lounge, and some guy is just staring at a screen full of numbers, looking like he's defusing a bomb. What is he even doing? Here's the thing though, Video Keno looks way more complicated than it actually is. It's basically the lottery, but faster. So what is it actually? You pick some numbers, the machine picks its own numbers, and if enough of yours match, you win money. Here's your playing field, 80 numbers, 1 through 80. That's it. No deck, no dice, just a big grid. Before we go further, 3 words you need. A spot is a number you pick. A catch is when your spot matches a drawn number. And the pay table tells you how much you win. Setting up a game takes seconds. Pick your bet amount, then pick your spots. Most machines let you pick between 1 and 10, though some go up to 15 or 20. Hit quick pick if you're lazy and press start. Winning is simple. The more of your numbers the machine draws, the more you win, based on the pay table for how many spots you picked. Quick pause. I make these videos so nobody feels lost standing in front of a casino machine ever again. If that's helpful, stick around. There's more good stuff coming. Your only resource here is your wager. Bigger bets don't change your odds, but they do change your payout size. Now, spot count is basically your category system. Pick 4 spots. You're playing a totally different pay table than someone picking 10. The single most important action in this whole game is picking your spots before you hit start, because once that ball drops, you're locked in. Here's a rule that catches people off guard. You can't change your numbers mid-round, not even one. So here's the full loop. Bet, pick, start, draw, payout, repeat. That's every single round, forever. There's no character stats here, but think of the pay table as the game's stat sheet. It tells you exactly what each catch is worth. Now here's the mistake almost everyone makes, thinking some numbers are hot or overdue. I promise you, the machine doesn't remember what it drew last time. It's not holding a grudge. The central action of this whole game is the draw. That's the moment 20 random numbers light up on screen. Let's walk through a real example. Say you pick 9 numbers. The machine draws 20. If it catches 5 of your 9, on a typical pay table, you'd win about 5 times your bet. Catch all 9? Depending on the machine, that could pay anywhere from 10,000 to 25,000 times your original bet. And to be clear, picking more numbers doesn't improve your odds of winning overall, it just changes the shape of the payouts. So no, wearing your lucky socks won't help. Trust me, I've tried. Some machines add extras, multipliers, bonus balls, or booster add-ons that can multiply your winnings. These are optional bells and whistles, not core rules. This is what makes Keno surprisingly deep for something so simple. The real strategy isn't picking numbers, it's picking the right pay table and machine. Okay, quick strategy dump before we hit the climax. Most seasoned players stick to 4 to 8 spots. It's the sweet spot for balancing how often you hit something against how big the payout gets. Always glance at the pay table before you sit down, since return rates on Video Keno swing anywhere from 84 to 95%. And set a session budget, betting maybe 1 to 3% of your bankroll per game, so you can play longer without stressing. Here's the part everyone's been waiting for. How do you actually win? You win anytime your catches hit the pay table threshold for your spot count. Even catching 0 numbers can pay out on some games. There are also advanced options like multi-card or progressive jackpot Keno, but those are skippable for now. Here's the insider secret. The machine and pay table you choose matters way more than which numbers you pick. Video Keno machines can return anywhere from 84% to 95%, depending on the pay table. That range is the real edge. So quick recap. Bet, pick your spots, hit start, and the machine draws 20 numbers. And you win by catching enough of your numbers to hit the pay table. Simple as that. Once you know this, You understand basically every Keno machine you'll ever walk past in any casino. Alright, that's how video Keno actually works. Way simpler than it looks once somebody breaks it down, right? If this helped you finally understand what a catch actually means, drop a comment and let me know what game you want explained next. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and share this with whoever's been too scared to ask what a pay table is.